Good day. In this video, let's talk about what percentage actually is. Let's have a good example here of a smartphone. And as you can see, on the top right corner of the smartphone is the battery indicator showing 100%. The word percent actually means percentum, which is also translated as for every 100. So to simplify, the use of percent in expressing things as percentages is a short way to show a value in the fraction for every 100. Now, let's look at another example. This is a tablet, and its battery icon shows that it still has 100% of its charge. So think about this. Do these two have equal power? If you thought about it carefully, you would probably say they don't, because the smartphone will usually have a smaller screen, will usually need lesser power to run on its own, while a tablet is bigger, has more parts, and usually requires more power. This doesn't necessarily mean that these days all smartphones usually have lesser power than tablets. You can actually find examples of smartphones with bigger batteries than other tablets. But the point here is, the 100% that you see on the screen does not mean that both have the same amount of power. For example, a typical smartphone will usually have around 1,700 to around 5,000 milliamp hours or mAh. But a typical tablet, depending on the device, will also range in this manner. Sometimes it will be 1,700 and can go as high as 10,307 milliamp hours. This is especially true for the iPad Pro. So what does this actually tell us? Percentages are used to express parts or portions of a group of objects. We also know that whenever we see a number that has an attached symbol of percent, like 75%, can also be expressed as a fraction. 75 for every 100. We hope you understood what percentages are through this video. In the next one, we'll show you how to see the connections between percentages, fractions, and decimals. See you then!